Hi student, welcome to my channel NCERT Mitra. In previous video, we already discussed about the Indian Railways, their facts. This is a continuation of the same chapter, that is the transportation. In this video, we are going to discuss the introduction of the airways, Indian Airways, and facts of the airways. So let's start. If you want to discuss, so introduction part, air transport is the fastest mode of the transport, and it has been reduced the geographical distances and as well as brought the world closer. Air transport is, you can see, was nationalized in India in 1953, and the Airport Authority of India was named in the 1st April 1995, merging the International Airport Authority of India, so and the National Airports Authority, and it was done by the view of the accelerate of the integrated management of the expansion and the modernization of the Indian Airways. Let's discuss some facts which are very, very important regarding the, if you want to discuss about the Indian Airways or the airways of the world. So let's start the facts. First fact, the tallest ATC tower. 4 of the world tallest at the traffic control, that is the ATC towers, are located in Asia, while United States America has 3. And Thailand, you can say, the one of the tallest tower ATC in the world, and followed by the Malaysia, USA, Japan, and China. Okay. Then come to, you can say, Suvarnabhumi International Airport, Thailand, has been, you can say, the world tallest air traffic control ATC air traffic control, towering standing about the 132.2 meter, means 434 feet. Indian context, if you want to discuss, Mumbai Airport tower is the tallest one with the height of the 83 only meter, 83 meters, 83.8 meters. But soon you can say the Delhi Airport's tower, okay, 101. So now this time Delhi Airport ATC, okay, air traffic tower, that is 101.9 meter, which is the under construction. It is about to come. Okay. Then come to another topic. You have to discuss the father of aviation. In 1799, perhaps you know, English aviator George Kelly built the first glider, you can say, that could go short distances, and his early work helped inventor to understand the dynamics of the flights. And Wright brothers, perhaps you know, acknowledged his importance. Father of Indian aviation, for some of Jahangir Ratanji, okay, Doabjoy, okay, he's Tata. He was actually Ratanji Tata, known as the father of the Indian aviation. In 1929, he became the first person in the country to be issued with the pilot license. Okay, so this is the person. World oldest airlines, KLM, okay, Koning Ligje. So these are the one of the, you can see, the Royal Dutch Airlines. So this is the world oldest airlines, established in 1919, when you can know, perhaps you know, that the World War just finished. Okay, World War I just finished. Its first flight between the Amsterdam and the London took place in the 17 May 1920. Qantas, or the Queensland, or the North Territories of the, you can say, the Atlantic. So that's is the world second oldest airline, airlines established in 1920. So this thing we have to, this is the fact regarding India's oldest airline, Tata Airlines, which is was of the founded, you can say, the 1932, and the J.R.D. Tata was the India's first commercial airlines. In 1946, Tata Airlines became the Air India, and on the 11th June 1962, the Air India became the world first all jet airline. So this is the fact number 5. If you look the fact number 6, that the first successful flight, Wright brothers, you can say, they invented and flew the first airplanes in 1903, and he is considered one of the world first sustain and the control heavier than the powerful flight. And their aircraft, Wright, you can see the Wright Flyer, flew about the 120 feet, and today the newest being is the, you can see, the 787 can fly, you can 10,000 miles on a single tank of gas. So this is the start from the little bit, start from the very small area. After that, this much we complete the journey. Orange, what is the orange black box? Most of the, you can see the aeroplanes have the flight data recorded. You can see the keep tracking the everything the plane does, and they're called the black boxes. Even through that they are the orange. Okay, 5% factor, actually 5% factor, 5% of the world population has ever traveled by only the plane. Okay, only the 5% of the total population, they more or less already traveled the air. Then the aircraft wild shape, BMW, perhaps you know, one you can see the windshield or the window frame of the Boeing, that is the 447 to 400s cockpit costs the much BMR car. Okay, so these are the main thing. Jumbo, what is the Boeing 747 wingspan is a longer, larger than the, you can say, the Wright brothers faster flight 120 feet. Okay, so this is the, you can say, the one of the car, you can say the that can also fly. The worldwide 747 feet long, you can see the 78 billion kilometers and equivalent to the 101,500 trips on the worldwide moon and the back. So these are the main thing you have to understand. Then come to the Super Jumbo, the world largest passenger plane, Airbus A380 Airbus is a double-decker 4-engine jetliner. So these are the, what is the largest passenger plane, Airbus A380. It made its first flight on April 27, 2005, and Singapore Airlines was the first airlines to add the Super Jumbo in its fleets in the year 2007. The wingspan, you can see the of the A380 is the longer than the aircraft wingspan, 80 meter, and length is the, you can say, the 72.7 meters. So Airbus A380 has about 4 million parts. Okay, so this thing we have to understand. Finally, you can see the fact number 12, if you say, finally comes to the Antonov, the Russian Antonov AN-225 cargo jet, the largest plane in the world. It is, you can see the about the football field from the nose to the tail, and wing, you can say wing tips and the wing tip. So it is originally built to transport a space plane. It is 6 engine. So first one was the 4-engine passenger A380, and it is the AN-225, that is a 6-engine. Fastest aircraft, world fastest airplane, perhaps you know, Lockheed SR-71 Blackbirds, and flying 2193 miles per hour. Okay, so these are the fastest aircraft. It has been the recorded over the 40 years. Hereby it is the worth mention. Commercial at the average speed, you can say the 550 mph. Microbird means the smallest. Smallest jet, you can say the BD5 Micro. It is a wingspan of the 14 to 21 feet and weight just 358 pounds. The longest flight, Sydney to Dallas. It is the longest flight, Sydney to Dallas, as a Qantas A380 was the world longest flight distances, and internet and online checking. And the internet online checking started, you can say, the perhaps the first introduced in the Alaska Airlines in 1999. Winglets, tallest man of the world. Okay, this is the tallest man of the world, winglets, and the winglets is the Airbus A330-200 are the same height as the world's tallest man. So this thing you can say the second thing. In point number 18, the busiest airport. Well, it is the London Heathrow, as you can say the one of the wrong, and the world information busiest, the Hartsfield Jackson Atlanta International Airport. It is the 96 billion passenger in a year. So this is the busiest one. Is the London Heathrow is the third spot. Somehow you can know the London Heathrow is the first one, but this is the third one. O'Hare is the busiest world terms in the takeoff and the landings. In that case, because in the India context, if you want to discuss, So that time Indira Gandhi International Airport, New Delhi, is the busiest airport, which is the Mumbai is a number of 2, Bengaluru. So this thing we have to understand. Largest airport, world largest airport, perhaps you can see that is the respect to the land area, 78,000 hectare. The King Fahd International Airport is located in the South Daman, Saudi Arabia. The runway, longest runway you can say the world, the Komdo Bagda Airport is the People's Republic in China. So it is located in China, world longest runway. Indira Gandhi International longest runway, you can see the 2911 is the largest. You can see the 4430 meter, stand for the 32nd out on the position in this list. Okay, Jonko is the US airport as that has the shortest airport or the commercial runway over there. Okay, then come to the safest airlines as well as the second oldest airline is the World Qantas, and you can say the from the 1920, and also it has a best safety record with the no fatal crashes in the history. Okay, in the history. So Emirates, perhaps you know Emirates, you can see the Emirates is the world largest operator of the Airbus A380. Okay, and Boeing 777 aircraft is the one of the 9 airlines of the world operate the worldwide body fleets. Okay, Ryanair carries the more international passenger, perhaps you can see, than the airlines. JKFs, okay, JKFs, perhaps you know JF Kennedy. Okay, JF Kennedy was the, you can see the it was the ideal airport was changed in the JFK International Airport. This is the 1963 when JF Kennedy was assassinated. Okay, every day there is approximately 2,000, you consider 2 lakhs of flights around the world. So this is the amazing fact actually. Amelia Earhart was the, who was this person actually? First woman. So Amelia Earhart was the first woman to fly the Atlantic as a passenger in 1928. Then the Solo, you can see the Solo if you in the single person in 1992, the first woman fly to the non-stop coast to coast in 1932. 75% in flight arguments and between the growing adults are the result of the economy passenger and declining the seats. Okay, so this is the thing. Only around you can see 25% of the class, first class, you can see the passengers are the full fare. So this thing we have to, okay, memorize. So this much for the facts about the Indian Airways as well as the World Airways. Next video will discuss about the types of the international airways. Thank you for watching this video.